Then this here you can say insulin is lowering the level of glucose in blood. Okay, this is the function of insulin, to decrease the level of glucose in the blood. And how it decreases? It decreases in three ways. First one, it changes all the excess glucose into glycogen. All the extra glucose that is present in our body is converted to glycogen. Okay, and that glycogen is stored in the liver and muscle cells. Second, whatever extra glucose is there, it will burn. Okay, this hormone will burn that extra glucose to produce heat and energy. Also, this extra glucose is converted into fat by some cells. So glucose is converted to glycogen, extra glucose is burnt away, and that third one is glucose is converted into fat. So basically it is decreasing the level of extra glucose in our body. Now suppose if this insulin content is less, it means glucose level will not be decreased, so it will increase. Insulin is doing, it is maintaining or lowering the sugar level, glucose level. So if insulin is not there, if it is in less amounts, then this sugar level will not be decreased. If it will not be decreased, that means it will increase. So if this glucose level is increasing, that will lead to a condition known as diabetes mellitus. You might have heard from some acquaintances that they are diabetic. Diabetic means in their body insulin is secreted in lesser amounts, and because of that there is over amount of glucose in the blood. So that condition is known as diabetes mellitus. What are the symptoms of diabetes? There is glucose present in the urine, the person feels excessively thirsty, and there is weight loss. Now if the insulin secretion is more, then the glucose level will be much lower. Then glucose level will be much lower because it is taking away the glucose in various forms. So in that case, what will happen? It will cause serious effects in our body. It will stimulate what all it will start in our body. It will convert that glycogen into glucose, and it will increase the level of glucose in the body. In certain cases this may lead to coma also. Coma conditions also will be produced because of excessive secretion of insulin. Then this hormone you just have to remember. Okay, like insulin converts glucose into glycogen. Glucagon converts glycogen into glucose. Okay.